day, so let's open this. Ooh.
Yo, what is up there, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. Right now I'm headed down to Boba Lash down in Taquela, and we are having a RSX Type S meet, and we're gonna cruise down to Alki Beach. But before that, we're gonna stop to the Derby, the shop, and we're gonna have a lunch there. I mean, for lunch it's kind of a little bit late, so I should call it kind of a dinner, I guess, because we're probably gonna get there around 5. But it is a very nice day out here in the Pacific Northwest, so we are gonna have, I already know that we're gonna have a great day out here. So I will see you guys down there.
Doing good, man. How you doing? Yeah, sure. It's just filled up with all the RSX crews. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh, this is dope. Look at this black. With the Type R wheels on. Ooh, with the interior Recaro seat. Definitely love the red Honda badge and the wing. We also got the silver RSX with the a-spec body kit, front bumper, and the rear bumper. Fitment on this thing looks really nice. Beautiful. We also got the red one right over here. Got the lip in the front and the wheels. Nice. And one thing, guys, you guys cannot believe this. This white RSX right here has over 200,000 miles on it. And this is his daily. Look at this thing. This thing's nice, man. He just keeps it so clean with the gram wheels. You see how low this thing is? And he dailies this thing. That's just insane, man. Vortex swing in the rear. Spec body kit in the rear too. We also got the black RSX right over here. The black interior. Coming from the rear, he got the Type R taillights. I'm definitely thinking getting those for my RSX for sure. We got one, including mine, will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 RSX. Gonna be cruising today. I'm so excited. Another RSX, so this is gonna be the 7th RSX. We are rolling, baby. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Look at this, guys. We are rolling. Look at this. This is... Man.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Dude, I'm so freaking lucky. There's a cop right there. I somehow didn't get caught. That's... Oh my god, I had it all the way out too. Full send. That's crazy. Here he comes. Hey! There he is. Nice. Go ahead, buddy, go ahead. Look at this. We all lined up. We finally made it. We all lined up. Look at this. All RSXs. And right next to it here, we got the beautiful NSX. Just chilling here. Versus 7 different RSXs. So, we're out here at the shop, the Derby. We're gonna have a meal here with all of our cars lined up. All of our 7 RSXs lined up here. I mean, dude, this is just crazy, man. Just dream come true. This is just insane. And we got the NSX over here. A beautiful red NSX. So, I'm in the shop right now. And right next to me right here, we got the beautiful a-spec. Got the beautiful a-spec. Oh yeah, the carbon fiber flares too with the Watanabe wheels. Yep. Look at this. It even says in the Japanese, Dato-san 3.2 liter. The OHC. Oh wow. Pressure gauge. I know, right? This is beautiful. Look at the Toyo Proxy in the rear. That tire. Meaty. We got the Ferrari, we got the other Ferrari. It's all mine now. Yeah, I wish. But man, we got some really cool lineups over here. If you guys didn't know, this is the moose that they use in the Macklemore video. Yeah, we got one right here. To a pole. To a pole. Oh my god. Oh no, you're good, you're good. To a burnout. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it?
You heard that.
I think.
Oh, there he goes. Anyways, just looking at all of our RSXs right now. Oh, some of the nasties line up. Oh. Self-sponsored. Yeah. Self-sponsored. This man. Man, Mugen. Yo, intake right there. Oh, he's back. Oh. He's back from the gas station. Alright, now we are headed to Alki. Yay! We're going to Alki, baby! We made it. We made it. We made it! Look at that nice skyline, Seattle skyline view. Space Needle right there. So, the booty pics finally. I'm just kind of looking at it. Which RSX is the lowest RSX in this group? This one is pretty low, but also this one is kind of damn low. Mine is kind of low too, but this one still beats me. So it definitely comes down to either this or that. And I think this one's lower in the rear for sure. The black one's pretty low too. I definitely love the rims on this RSX. So beautiful. Got the Rari going? And Mr. Rari? Alright. Hey, stop flexing on us. Making us look weak, man. Damn. Huracan? With the pink caliper? Look at that. Yeah, we got Brian and McLaren. Damn. What is in the world going on? Yo. This was a one crazy day for me, guys. You guys cannot believe it, man. In the morning, I went to Exotic RTC. Then in the afternoon, I had a RSX Type S cruise, which is still kind of going on. And then you guys see a Lambo back here and a McLaren and Ferrari. All three just lined up. That's just crazy, man. What a crazy day. And that'll do for today's video. I am absolutely exhausted. I just got home and I gotta wake up at 4:30 in the morning to meet up with all my Relentless member down in Federal Way for the import face-off IFO. So I'm gonna head to bed here. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Other than that, I just want to say thank you so much for inviting me for the RSX Type S cruise. It was very fun. I'm tired. I'm gonna head to bed here. Other than that, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.